All right, y'all, we got another classic for you. We got 1975 Buick LeSabre, finished in this gorgeous white with a burgundy maroon interior. This thing is beautiful, bone stock with every single thing imaginable on it. So stay tuned as we take you around her, take you on a test drive, and get underneath. All right, y'all, so like I said, 1975 Buick LeSabre. Starting with the front, as you can see, the grille is in immaculate condition. All the chrome is there, all the trim is there. We have no pitting, we have no dents. I don't even see any type of scratches. She is perfect. Looking at the paint, I would probably say the paint is about an 8.5 to a 9. The white shows great. I'm not seeing any type of dents or scratches as we go around the car, but we'll highlight any type of imperfections. Again, going down the passenger side, all of the trim is intact. The pinstriping is in perfect condition. I don't see any type of scratches or peeling. Looking around the door handles, the chrome is solid. Wheel wells, all the trim is intact. Got everything on the back. LeSabre Custom 455. Looking down the side, she is straight. And again, no dents, no indentations. Nothing to really highlight on the paint on the passenger side. Looking on the rear, this is why I say it's probably about an 8.5 to a 9. Couple little marks here, nothing that really shows until you get completely up on it. Looking at the trunk, as you can see, like I said, the white shows perfect. Won't have any rust spots or anything. She's super clean. Looking around the trunk area, all the emblems and trim pieces are intact again. And the bumper is just like the front. We don't have any pitting, no dents, nothing of that nature. She looks solid all the way around. Looking down the driver's side, again, body looks perfectly straight, not showing any dents over here either. This is one little area, if this is going to pick up, looks like it might have had a touch-up spot here, but it blends in pretty well. Again, the pinstriping is solid. And then looking right here, again, looks like a little bit of touch-up paint might have been used there, but there's no indentation, so I don't know if it was just something rubbed up against it or if it was a deeper scratch. Again, rest of the trim pieces are intact. Got another little spot of touch-up white, but again, I'm standing maybe I'm probably 3 feet back, and you can't see anything until I get all the way up on it. Super dope thing about this car as well, we have the hard top parade boot. That's in excellent condition. When I open up the trunk and show you, you'll also see that we have the soft top cover and the covers for these as well. Finishing around the exterior, again, more of the same. Paint is super solid, no dents or anything. All emblems intact, even the side marker lights are super clean. Looking at the trunk, again, pinstripe solid all the way through. Nothing to really show here, nothing missing. And emblems intact. Moving a little bit towards the interior, also don't want to forget about the windshield. We have no cracks or anything, and all the window trim super solid. Getting on the interior, I can tell you before we even go through, it's immaculate. It's in excellent condition. The seats have no rips, no tears on any of them, but we are going to go all the way around. First, go through the jams. Jams are solid. And getting underneath the door, more of the same. We're not seeing any surface rust or anything, just what you expect from a 50-year-old car. Pretty sure these are the original weather seals, but they're still pretty soft, so no type of dry rot there or anything. Door panel, excellent condition. No cracks or anything like that. Obviously, you see the lights work. The locks and the windows do work. Front seat, again, color is perfect. We don't even have any discoloration. Carpet, excellent condition. We have no burn marks, rips, tears, anything. Center console area, more of the same. And the front of the dash. If you can kind of hear that I don't know, it's not a ticking sound, but if you do hear that, it's actually the clock working. It's the seconds winding. Again, the dash itself is in excellent condition. No cracks, no fading of any kind. Coming to the back seat, more of the same for the door panels. Beautiful condition. Lights work. Carpet perfect. And again, zero issues with the seats. There is nothing that could possibly be done. We're going to swoop around to the driver's side, and then I'll also grab the keys, pop the trunk in the hood as well. Back of the seats, again, perfect. Driver's side seat, no cracks, no tears. Steering wheel in excellent condition. Horn does work. Dash is beautiful. The glass is extremely clear, no discoloration there. Everything does work in this car. You'll see on the test drive. Radio, lights, heating, air conditioning, everything works. Windows, everything. Door panel, driver's side, super clean. Lights on with zero issues. All right, we can go ahead and pop the trunk. All right, so we got a lot of stuff in the trunk, and normally I do pull stuff out, but in this case, this car is so perfect. The trunk is super clean, the floor pans, everything you'll see once we go underneath it. But like I was saying, we got the soft convertible top cover. We got the cases for the hard parade boots. And then we have every single manual that came with this car. So we got the service for the folding top. We got the parts catalog. We got the parts and accessory for all of the GM division, not just this particular car. And then of course we got the Fisher body book as well. A couple extra weather seals that came with the vehicle. And my kind of borderline favorite thing, we got the matching engine paint so that you get a perfect color match, which I'm not even sure if you can find anymore. I was looking to see if they had a date on it, but again, when you spend this type of money on a vehicle, getting those extra things, I think it makes all the difference in the world. Go ahead. Thought I had it already popped. Let me go ahead and pop this. And as expected, underneath is immaculate as well. Again, she's got everything. So power brakes, power steering, heat and air. Again, super clean underneath. Original 455, so big block car. Beautiful color, and everything just looks again super clean and immaculate under there. So stay tuned. We'll go ahead and take her on a test drive. The top does work. I'll take the hard tops off and put them in the cases, and then we'll get started. Take her on the test drive. Right, so we're in the 75 LeSabre. Man, it's like 9 degrees down here. So I already got the top up. When I pull up, when I pull back, I'll let it down just so you can see everything works. But I did want to show you one of the dopest things about this to me. The car does not start if you don't have your seatbelt on. That's a cold start, super fresh. So we'll roll up the windows. They both roll up super easy, super fast, shall I say. Left turn signal, right turn signal, horn. The heat, air conditioning, and everything does work. I'm not gonna turn it on right now. Wipers do work. Oh, let me turn them on. Here we go. Wipers do work. Clock does work, and it's actually set to the right time too, so pretty dope. And the radio and the speakers work. Let's go ahead, take her on this test drive. I'm expecting her to drive almost perfect, just to be honest, because this car is absolutely turnkey. Again, that little ticking noise you saw here is just the clock itself, nothing with the car. Mileage reads 30,670. I'm gonna be honest, you know, with 5-digit odometers, you could never know for sure if they're accurate. but the condition of this vehicle leads me to believe those are original miles for sure. Just starting out, she's riding straight, hands off the wheel. Road's curving a little bit, but steering's pretty straight and she's driving straight. Brakes are solid coming up to the stop sign. Once we turn here, I'll give her a little bit of gas just to, you know, make sure. This 455 does sound good. I mean, it's freezing cold outside, so she got a nice little rumble to her, but definitely a great cruiser as well. I'm not hearing any squeaks, any rattles. I'm not bouncing up and down the road. Like I said, she's tracking super straight and just cruising. Speedometer does look to be accurate. I'm doing about 25-30, I think, and that's what it's reading. So get on the brakes a little bit hard here. Brakes are super solid, so we're good there. Let's avoid this. Yeah, this is definitely one solid old girl though. The top and the weather seals are in excellent condition too, because I'm not hearing any amount of wind come through, so that's definitely a plus. And like I said, the heat does work, air conditioning does work. I get on her a little bit and get in the throttle just a little bit to see how she responds. Throttle response is good. I'm not getting any hesitation or anything like that. Might as well just pull out. Got her up to about 45, and like I said, she's just cruising. Alignment seems solid. Like I said, brakes are good. Definitely, I gotta say, it's definitely one of the better LeSabres that we've had. And the gas gauge, I know I didn't say that. The gas gauge is accurate as well. It's reading at 3/4, and we put like 40 in there, so it's pretty accurate. I'm gonna go ahead and take her back and get her on the rack. I expect underneath to look exactly as the outside and inside, but of course we still want to take a few, make sure everything is solid underneath. Make sure nobody pulling out. All right, so stay tuned. We'll get her on the rack. All right, y'all, so we got the 75 up on the rack. Starting with the rear bumper is in excellent condition as we expected. No pitting, no dents or anything like that. Moving forward, frame seems solid so far. Obviously we got a little bit of, you know, surface rust as to be expected if it hasn't been painted or coated. Gas tank is in excellent condition. We have no drips, no rust or anything along there. Finishing along the frame rails, everything still looks solid. Got the stock suspension set up. Not sure if this is a new cover for the rear diff or it's just super clean. Same with the exhaust. Looking at the floor pans, I can tell zero issues. There's nothing here that shows any type of patchwork has been done. I see no soft spots, holes, or anything like that. Following up, again, frame still looks good going forward. Transmission pan seems solid, super clean. No drips or anything showing any leaks of any kind. Moving up towards the front, same with the oil pan, and it's matched to the same color as the engine. Super clean underneath. And sorry, I gotta bend down to get under here. Looking at the rest of the car from underneath, I don't show any signs of any leaks or anything from the AC or from the radiator. Overall, clean as I expected, just like how the outside was. Let's see. Front bumper, super solid. No rust, no dents, nothing that shows any type of accidents or anything. Coming around the passenger side, trim is all in good shape all the way around. Wheel solid. Original steels on here, super clean. The tread looks like completely brand new tires. Following along the passenger side, again, frame rails are solid all underneath the car. No signs of rust or pitting. Rear tire, exact same. Tire brand is exactly the same, so looks new as well. And let's get on the driver's side. Same thing, looking at this rear quarter panel, pretty solid. Wheels have no curb rash, dents, or anything. Underneath on this side, solid again. And finally, the front driver's side. Wheel good, trim all intact. Again, super clean underneath. All right, so if you're interested in this 75 LeSabre, make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Make sure you check us out on the website, rollingmuseums.com, Instagram at rollingmuseums. And as always, appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.